12 Futurecast.
Hey, before we get to the weather, we want to talk about, Rhode Island's had a tough 13%, close to it, unemployment rate, and a lot of people in the state have had it very tough. We just want to wish you a happy 2010, a very happy, healthy, and prosperous one, and hopefully it'll be a better 2010 than it was in 2009 for many of you.
Absolutely. Happy New Year, everybody. Yeah. And weather-wise, we ended last year with some snow
yesterday, and then before that we had a couple feet.
Yeah, we did. That big blizzard, nothing like that yesterday, but just enough snow to create kind of a nuisance out there on the roads. And guess what, Vince? Guess how we started this year?
Well, it looks like it's going to be a snowy winter, huh?
That's right. We're starting 2010 with some snow, and more snow on the way for the weekend. So that will be the theme here as we go into 2010. Live Pinpoint Doppler 12 showing some light snow spreading across Rhode Island and southeastern Massachusetts as we speak. In fact, we can take a closer look, and you can see some light snow stretching down I-95 and 295. You can see West Warwick up through Cranston, Providence, up into Pawtucket. The light snow continues to fly. We're not expecting anything additional in terms of accumulation. I mean, maybe a half an inch at most in spots, but for the most part we are done with the accumulating snow for today. In fact, a nice break as we go into the afternoon. This is the spotter report from Kelly Cooper in Westport. She saw some light snow overnight. I believe she picked up about 2.5 inches of snow yesterday, so we'll call it an even 3 in Westport right now with the snow. Temperature at 27, perhaps a little bit of sunshine in Westport right now. It's possible you get a few bright spots here and there today, but for the most part we'll call it mostly cloudy skies. Jerry and Warren saw a dusting of snow overnight, and he got 3 inches of snow on Thursday, which of course was New Year's Eve. 26 is Jerry's temperature in Warren. And some of the rest of our Thursday reports coming in from our weather spotters. Jim in North Smithfield picked up 3.5 inches, Brian in Middletown 2.5, and Robert in Fall River just over 3. Down City Providence, we have some fog, a little bit of light snow, nothing heavy right now though. Temperature is 28. Those winds out of the northwest at 5 miles an hour. We're generally in the upper 20s with our temperatures right now. 29 Newport, 28 Providence, 27 New Bedford, and we are at 30 in Westerly. Satellite picture shows that last batch of snow pushing through right now. You can see some drier skies out to our west. We will be enjoying those drier skies for today, but we will be stuck with those clouds. Center of low pressure just offshore, but watch what happens as we go throughout the weekend. It's going to try to push away and then actually drift back to the east. It's going to be reinforced with some energy from the jet stream. And as it sits here just south of Maine this weekend, we will see some wind, especially Saturday night into Sunday. We will also see some snow. Now, in terms of snowfall amounts, it looks like the heavier swath of snow will set up across extreme eastern Massachusetts. We're talking Boston, Plymouth County down to the Cape, while lighter amounts for our viewing area. But we can't completely write the storm off just yet because several inches, that's what the computer models are spitting out right now. It could be more if the track of that storm happens to change. As for this afternoon, temperatures in the mid to upper 30s. A few bright spots are possible, but we're calling it mostly cloudy. 37 your high in Coventry. Northern Rhode Island temperatures generally in the mid-30s. 35 Burrillville, 36 Foster, 37 Scituate. And we'll go with low 40s for the Cape and the Islands with a 41 in Hyannis, 37 your high in Taunton. All right, as of right now, and keep in mind, these are very early projections. That's why I have such a wide range showing up. We're talking 2 to 6 inches for most of our viewing area, 6 to 10 for places like Boston, extreme eastern Massachusetts, out to the Cape. Keep in mind, this is a 48-hour combined total. This is not a one-day total, so it could be an event which stretches into Sunday, and of course if the track of the storm changes, this heavier swath could spread over the top of our viewing area, so stay tuned. 7-day Futurecast shows the wind and the snow flying for parts of the weekend. Monday partly sunny, high 35, and then low 30s for next week with some sunshine. That's a look at your weather for right now. More updates coming up in just a few minutes. Vince?
All right, Pete, we'll see you in a few time now.